Hey guys, welcome to my channel Learnovate. Today the topic of our discussion is from the embryology, and we will going to discuss the basis of the embryology, that is the gametogenesis. That is the embryo start from the special cell in the both male and female, that is we call as a sex cell, and a special cell that go to the division and fertilization, and then ultimately it form the zygote, and the zygote develop into the fetus, and it will develop into the developing human. So for the basis of this stage, first we have to discuss how these cells divide and they form the sperm or the ovum, that is the main gamete or the main special sex cell of the male or female. So the normal gametogenesis start from the spermatogenesis in the male and oogenesis in the female. The spermatogenesis is a process or a sequence of events that occurring to form the spermatogonia into a mature sperm. And this whole process takes place in the testes of a male at the age of puberty. That is around 11 to 15 years of age. When the male reaches towards the puberty, the spermatogenesis occur. So first we have to discuss the spermatogenesis, and it starts from the we have said that the spermatogonia, which is a special sex cell in the male, which has the 46 number of chromosome. You can see here it has the 46 number of chromosome, and it has the X and Y component both. You can see here it is a diploid chromosome. We call it as a diploid chromosome or a complete set of chromosome because it has 46 number of chromosome, that is the main component, and the X and Y component, both components are present as spermatogonia. This spermatogonia is going to increase in size or increase in nutrients and become the primary spermatogonia. The primary spermatogonia have the same number of chromosome and the same X and Y component. Then the division start from the first meiotic division. The first meiotic division, as we all know, that the meiosis occur to divide the chromosome number into half. That is, the 46 will be going to convert into 23, and the X or Y component will be dividing into a X or Y. So in the first meiotic division, this chromosome, that is a 46XY component chromosome, convert into a 23X or a 23Y chromosome. So this is a product from the first meiotic division, and the product from the first meiotic division of the primary spermatogonia is now called as the secondary spermatogonia. And this secondary spermatogonia undergo a second meiotic division. And we all know that the second meiotic division is ultimately or relatively similar to the mitosis. So in mitosis, there is no division of the chromosome number, or there is no division of the diploid or a haploid cell. So the same number of chromosome that will present in the secondary spermatogonia come in the spermatids, which have the 23 number of chromosome or a X or a Y component. So these four products from the secondary spermatogonia are now called as the spermatids. The spermatids are the earlier stage of the sperms. The spermatids ultimately develop into the mature sperm by going another process, that is the spermiogenesis. This is a maturation process of the sperm. We will discuss the spermiogenesis in the next video. So in this stage, the spermatids, after going through the spermiogenesis, convert into a mature sperm, and they also have the 23 number of chromosome or X or Y component. The structure of sperm will be discussed. You can see here that this is the structure of a mature sperm after going the maturation or the spermiogenesis. This you can see is the head of the sperm. The head of the sperm have a acrosome. This acrosome is a covering or a enzyme containing protein that is present on the head of the sperm, and it should be removed for the fertilization to occur. So the head of a sperm has the acrosome and the nucleus that is containing the 23 number of chromosome or a X component or a Y component we have discussed earlier. So this is the nucleus and the acrosome in the head part of sperm, and this narrow part, you can see this little one, is the neck of the sperm that is going to join the head with the tail of the sperm. This whole is the tail of sperm. The neck is going to join the tail, and this is the tail of sperm. The tail of sperm has three parts. This is the middle piece, this is the principal or the major part of the tail, and this is the end part of the tail. So we have to study and we have to remember one thing, that in the middle part of the tail, that is the most important part, have the number of mitochondria. You can see this bluish color balls are the mitochondria that are arranged in a sequence manner in the middle piece of the tail of the sperm. And in the fertilization, only the head of the sperm go. The tail and neck remain outside. That's why the mitochondria always come from a female or a ovum. So this is the structure of the sperm. I hope you will be explained well. Thank you for watching our video.